morning, squad. How is everyone doing today? And welcome to day 10 of Vlogmas. So today I did not vlog whatsoever. I'm starting to vlog right now and it's about 5:30. Today we got a new fridge, so I spent most of the afternoon kind of rearranging the kitchen and getting everything together. So I'll show you guys the new fridge. Yeah, look at that. Do a thumbnail, proper thumbnail. So this is the new fridge, looking cool. Maybe we can do a better thumbnail. Yeah. So that's the new fridge. And tonight for dinner, I didn't want to cook, so we're gonna have some Subway because I had some Skip the Dish credits and I'm using them. So we're having some Subway. I got a meatball sub. Oh yeah, you gotta have pickles. I know I'm weird and strange, but you got to have pickles. Look at this sub. I also took the Italian urban cheese bread. It's the best bread that Subway has. If you're gonna go for some good bread, go for the Italian urban cheese. So I'm gonna eat my dinner. The one thing that I've always said when it comes to eating and I'm about to eat, bon appetit everyone, and let me know in the comment section below what you guys are having for dinner. Let's talk about it. It is 9:30 right now, and like I said earlier when I was eating my sub from Subway, I was hungry for some Subway, and today we've been kind of working a lot through the kitchen because of the new fridge, and we had to kind of rearrange the whole kitchen. So it's been a busy day and I didn't vlog, but I hope tomorrow I start picking up the camera a little earlier and then maybe have a full length video for tomorrow, or at least for Sunday, at least a 15-minute vlog, you know? So I do appreciate all of your amazing support, all of your amazing feedback, and I do appreciate all of your comments, everything you guys have given me throughout the past 10 days of daily vlogging. So I'm gonna show you guys the fridge once again. This is our new fridge. Looking awesome, look at that. There's even a freezer down here. We never had a fridge like this, and I am so glad that we finally got one. This is awesome, I love this fridge. I think I'm gonna have a bubbly because we have some bubblies. Look at that. Look at all my creamers. I love my creamers. So I got some bubbly, I got Crush, I got some Avian water. I could always drink one of these. There's Mountain Dew Baja Blast that I have a couple cans left. But I think I'm gonna have a bubbly, maybe an Avian water. Have you guys ever had these? Avian Plus sparkling water. So I'm gonna drink one of these and I might call it a night because it's been a very long day. Like I said, we've been kind of rearranging the entire kitchen. One thing that you guys will notice, because I normally start the reviews on the table, so I put my camera or my phone onto the table, and normally I think you would have seen this in the background, and I think you would have seen a cupboard in the background, but now you're gonna see a fridge. Depending on where I'm gonna set up the camera, if I set up the camera like this, you guys will more likely see this and then the fridge in the background. The fridge where we had the older fridge, the new fridge wouldn't fit under, so we had to rearrange the actual kitchen to where we had to put the new fridge in a different spot. But it still worked. Get used to the whole new situation. But I like it. I mean, I like my older fridge, but it was older and we need a new fridge, you know? One might say. Maybe we can do a thumbnail. I mean, we can't get the whole entire fridge. Let's try this on the vlog. I've had this before. Haven't had it in a while. It's just Avian Plus water. Yeah, it's pretty good. I have magnesium and zinc. I'm not sure what sort of flavor this is. It doesn't really say. Ignite Your Mind, made with Avian Natural Spring Water, magnesium and zinc. Oh, raspberry. So it's raspberry. You definitely taste the raspberry. Cheers. So I'm going to wrap the vlog here. I do apologize that this isn't a long vlog, but I do appreciate all of your amazing comments, just viewing the video. I really do appreciate it. So I'm going to end the vlog here, but I hope you guys did enjoy today's miniature or not long day Vlogmas. If you guys did, you guys want to show your support for me doing these vlogs for you guys know what to do. Give this video a thumbs up, subscribe as always, and don't forget to ring that notification bell so you never miss a vlog. All my links from my social media in the description. So till tomorrow, cheers and peace out.
We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy